We're gonna make hot baked meatballs, basically. They're cheesy and wonderful. I started by adding a whole jar of arrabbiata sauce to an iron skillet, and this is incredibly spicy. So to add to the spice, I'm gonna add several peppers from a jar of hot cherry peppers. And then I'll kind of shake just to spread everything out. So see what we got going on here, Paige? And I'm not gonna mix the peppers in. I want them to stay on top. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to tell everybody about this amazing new thing I discovered in supermarkets. And they are actually formed meatballs and they're not frozen.
Wow.
Whoa.
Blew my mind when I knew these existed. When you're looking for a really fast, family-friendly recipe, these are awesome. And then if you're a crafty kind of parent, you can wash this in soapy water and use it for a craft. I am not a crafty parent. So I am going to put these in the oven and I'm gonna bake them at 425 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes until the meatballs are sizzly, and then I'll show you how we finish these up. Hello, 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 Paige.
Yum.
Look at
OMG.
how amazing do those look. Oh, they smell fantastic. I can actually smell the spice. I can smell the heat.
Oh, goodness.
I have a sense. So I'm gonna bump it up by putting even more crushed red peppers all over. The spice just kind of sends me into a tizzy. So there's a second stage of baking, and I'm gonna put little discs of mozzarella
Yum.
on top of each meatball. Don't worry if some of them fall.
They're like hats.
Yeah, they are. Little hats of mozzarella, as Mauricio said. So now I'm just gonna take this and stick it under the broiler until the cheese is melted. It's gonna take about 3 minutes. Remember those cute little top hats? Well, now they're like sun hats. They have cute little brims. Oh, this looks amazing. So I'm gonna top with some basil. Now I'm gonna show you how to serve this. Gotta get a spoon. Yes, look, Alex, come watch. Which one should I get?
That one is beautiful.
How about this one? Look, look at that spicy pepper that came out with it. Oh my. They almost look like little fried eggs because of that mozzarella. And then just a hunk of bread to kind of sop up the sauce. And I have just a simple green salad, nothing fancy. Oh, spicy, baked, cheesy meatballs. I think that's what we call it. I have to taste this. I have to see if the spice is all there. Oh boy, it's hot, spice aside. Wow, that is delicious.